And just as international travel was beginning to show signs of revival, the threat of the Omicron variant of the coronavirus is back to haunt travelers. India has put its decision to resume international flights from the 15th of December on hold. As new guidelines for travelers was coming into force, there is now chaos and confusion at airports almost across the country. Aishwarya Paliwal and Vidya bring us this report.
The invisible enemy is back in a scarier avatar with over 30 mutations. Amid Omicron threat, centre and states are rushing to contain the mutant. In a mega move, the centre has put brakes on full resumption of international flights. Aviation watchdog DGCA, which fixed 15th of December as the date for restarting international flights, said it is watching the situation and a new date will be notified in due course. Maharashtra has made 7-day institutional quarantine mandatory for flyers from at-risk nations. Flyers will be tested 3 times on the 2nd, 4th and 7th day of their arrival. All positive passengers will be shifted to the hospital. Negative passengers will be further subjected to a 7-day home quarantine. Intra-state flyers need full vaccination or recent negative RT-PCR test. For interstate flyers, negative RT-PCR is must.
There are more than 50 booths that have been put up where RT-PCR tests are being done. Apart from that, there's a waiting lounge for people to wait in where, if the testing really takes a while, they'll be asked to wait. Also, for people who have connecting flights, if they are in transit, then for them also antigen tests have been put in place.
The Narendra Modi government, however, is upset with Maharashtra issuing guidelines that are different from those framed by the centre. It has urged the Maharashtra government to revise its guidelines. Checks imposed by other states are mostly in line with centre's guidelines. Delhi has made testing mandatory on arrival. If the report is negative, then the passenger will be subjected to a home quarantine for 7 days and get tested again. All positive flyers will be admitted to hospital.
There is a separate room in the airport which has been made where all the passengers coming will be asked to sit. The test will be done and they'll have to wait till the time the result does not come. Now, typically, the result takes anywhere between 5 to 6 hours, which means that your flight will take you longer to come out of the airport.
The new norms spell hassle for flyers who are now made to wait for hours for test results and brave long queues at airports.
कोई गाइडेंस नहीं थी हमको कि आपको पीसीआर टेस्ट कराना है और नहीं तो हम लोग पहले ऑनलाइन बुक करा के आते हैं। उसके बाद 2 टेस्ट हैं यहाँ पे, एक है नॉर्मल टेस्ट और एक है रैपिड फायर। नॉर्मल टेस्ट वो ले रहे हैं 8 घंटे और जो रैपिड फायर है वो 1 घंटा बोल रहे हैं, बट 1 घंटे में किसी को रिपोर्ट दी नहीं, तो अंदर काफ़ी लोग परेशान हो रहे हैं कि बच्चों के साथ छोटे बच्चे वेट नहीं कर पा रहे, बस खाने को कुछ नहीं है।
The WHO, meanwhile, opposed blanket travel ban, calling them ineffective to curb the virus threat. With Vidya and Aishwarya Paliwal, Bureau Report, India Today.
We will continue to track developments on the story very closely, but that is all I have time for on the news track this evening. A quick break. Rajdeep Sardesai comes up next with the news today at 9. Stay with us.